Hey guys, so I spawned in this boat and I kind of found it very weird, and I'm kind of thinking that this is a pirate ship, and I'm playing with the brand new weird controls that I don't like, and I really hate them because I really honestly don't like these. So we're gonna have to try and escape this boat somehow. So let's try. And step one, stealing. So, how are we gonna steal? We have to look around. Here's the flag, here's the steering wheel, here's the boat, and what is down here? If I die, please. I hit the ground. Now, what's in here? Okay, the candle, there's a bed. I can use that sleeping for night. But what is in the chest? That's something really good. We definitely need all of these. These will definitely come in handy. So, we have the totem of undying. We have the potion. We have the shield. Okay, now, step 2. Thinking. So, how are we going to use these? I think we are going to use these. We're going to use this helmet for breathing underwater. This in case if anything underwater kills me. This is for night vision so I can see clearly underwater. And this is for the shield so I don't die. So, that is thinking. Now, step 3. Escaping. Final step. So, this is going to be a great big adventure. Good thing we have a plank to dive into. Well, this is way clearer. We're going to get under here. And we're going to go now. Okay, first we're going to have to go on a little adventure. There's fish that we need to kill to get food. Come on, little fish. Fish. Come on, little fish. Fishy wish wish. Fish. I need fish. I need to kill fish. Fish. Where did the fish go? No. The fish wish. I need a big one. The bigger, the juicier. Come on. Just get the fish. Get him. Just touch his little tail. Get him. Get the big fish. Why is he waddling away? He's literally waddling towards me. We're literally arriving at the boat already. Where is? Come on. Just kind of get underwater. Where did the fish go? Get him. Why is it taking me so long to get one fish? Where'd he go? Where did he go? He swam off. Chase him. No. Now we have a big swarm of fish. We need something that will help me get them. We need food. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be quite cheeky. But this is actually quite cheeky. Slash give us chicken. 12. Thanks. Wait, I need cooked chicken. Phew, I did not get poisoned. That was a bit of a cheat. Okay. Where did my ship go? There. I think we kind of need to get back to safe land. We're running out. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Where's the plank? Where's the plank? Where's the plank? Where's the plank gone? Where's the plank? Thank God. I need to get onto that immediately. Okay. No. Okay. I definitely need to stay here for the night. Right. Staying here for the night. I just woke up on the pressure plate. Okay, so next day. Now, this is going to be a very intense day. Because this is supposed to be the day where we actually have to win. What is this black stuff? I need to follow this squid. Hold up. That's a squid. Why is there a little mouth at the bottom of him? What just happened? Alright, he is not escaping. I'm blind now. Got some XP. What did he drop? Ink sac. Am I able to eat that? Obviously not. Or I think I should throw it back in the sea. Black dye. Might come in handy soon. Now I need to get some fish wish. What are we trying to get? Ah, I saw the sign. But we do need to get some more resources. I think we're gonna run out of night vision soon. We need to quickly somehow get there. Alright. Stand by the candle, get warm. I just went in the sea. Alright, now we're gonna give it a bit of time. I'm just gonna pause it so you don't have to actually see all the time. Okay, it's been some time. Now, guess let's go back to hunting for food. Alright, not happy about my night vision situation, so we need to quickly gather things. We definitely need this for some cake. Actually, no, we need some sand for decoration. How does it take so long to break? Sand. Sand. Literally sand. Right, that's a bit better. Sand doesn't drop anything. Wait, no. Wait, whoa. Whoa. Okay, where's the boat? You know what, I'm just gonna die. Die. Real. I'm honestly gonna let myself die. Wait. No. Wait, where am I gonna spawn? Oh, I'm so lucky. If I just died and spawned in the wrong place. No, I actually got so scared. Okay, I'm so lucky. I actually forgot that I set my own spawn point. And it's gonna be the third day. Whew. Sheesh. When is it gonna stop raining? It's a wonderful day. Getting fish, killing fish. I'm a literal hunter today. Squid. Get him. I want more dye. Thank you. 3. Thank you very much. Came very handy. My sand. There it is. Okay. Gonna come here. Sand for decoration. Where should I put the sand? Right here. Sand for safety. Just in case if anything bad happens. Is there any like monsters in the sea? Why not sea monsters in Minecraft? Am I walking in the ocean? I'm sorry. Now what are we going to do? A cat! A cat! A cat! We haven't won when we got to land. If we just go on to normal land, that doesn't really count. A cat. Whoa, get the chicken real quick. We're only allowed to go to a limited area. Get the chicken! Get the tricky chick! Thank you. Thanks for my chicken. Now, where did my boat go? Oh, all the way down there. Have to get down quickly before like any creepers or creepers come. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Come on, swim. Swim! Please, I just wanted to hurry. I'm sorry, what? Okay, my head. Blue. Alright, resume game. Now let's get back on. Oof. So glad I didn't drown. What in the world just happened to my screen? You guys might have found out a little secret of how I make these little videos. Even though I've already showed you in a video. What am I going to do with this dye? And how am I going to cook this? Wait. Quickly. What does hunger even do? That's not doing anything. I can eat chicken safe and sound. Kids are not allowed to touch raw chicken, but I just said it. Anyway. Okay, let's get back. Anyway. Right, quick message to all of you. Merry almost Christmas. Now, getting back to the game. We really need to get to the sign to beat the game. Let's go. We're all ready. Need the totem of undying just in case anything bad happens. This will do something bad, won't it? Okay, let's try. Hopefully this won't do anything bad. Please. I really messed up on that one. I think all I need to do is walk up to that sign and then I'll beat the game. It's best not doing things that you don't really know and that it's quite a risk. Same in real life. But I think we've beaten the game. Now, honestly, I think we should try one more time. Now let's actually try again. Okay, press 1, 2, 3. What does that say? You won, Stinky Bluedy. Okay, I did win, but I'm not stinky. Okay, I win. Now this is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed me escaping this ship and getting scammed. Bye guys.